is Kelly Hill, Executive Editor of RCR Wireless News. I'm here at Mobile World Congress Los Angeles 2019 on the show floor at the Rohde & Schwarz booth, and we're going to be talking with some of their experts about 5G R&D and product testing. So, I'm sorry, production testing. So, with one of their experts.
Hey, hello, I'm Fernando Schmidt, and one of the product managers here for the wireless device testing products from our side, from Rohde & Schwarz. In this booth here, or this setup here, what you see actually two demos. Yeah? One, our solution for R&D in development or research and development, and also production testing. Yeah? One side here, in this case, are two single boxes, analyze and generator for sub-6 in this case here, our SMW100. And this other demo here is a live demo, by the way, with the measurements running here, in this case 5G FR2, as a millimeter wave. Yeah? In this case, short demonstration here, what you can see here, the measurements showing here parametric tests. Yeah? There's a link between the antenna and the rear device. For example, put my hand here, you see here, the EVM modulation here gets a little bit worse. Yeah? Typical parametric tests.
Yes. And wireless over the air as opposed to conducted testing for the sub-6 gigahertz, yes?
Exactly, absolutely, absolutely. Therefore, two different boxes, typically you are not going to test this device in the same station. Yeah? Therefore, two different boxes here on conducted, and here, of course, in a wireless, or let's put it that way, radiated environment.
Yes.
We have here, of course, this demo here, a direct link, but typically you put a chamber and a conical chamber and this kind of things, right? Shielded box.
Yes, and so this is UE testing and component testing, chipsets, modules, and user equipment, essentially, yes?
Exactly. The RF performance here focusing UE device testing, of course, can be components, as you mentioned, chipsets, or as you see, this example here, ready products. Right.
And what are some of the complicating factors here, particularly as we think about the millimeter wave aspect of this? You know, beamforming, beam steering. Can you talk a little bit about some of the challenges of testing for 5G?
Mm-hmm. So, of course, one of the big challenges on 5G millimeter wave FR2 is the testing over the radiated environment. Yeah, you need to be in OTA conditions. Yeah. And of course, this matters the size of the antenna. Yeah? Either you know where the antenna is located on your device. If not, you will need to radiate the entire device. And then, of course, brings a certain complexity. The point here is the link budget, means how much RF you have to compensate the higher loss in this kind of environment. Totally different on RF, simply a cable, you know, more or less 1 or 2 dBs, attenuation is fine, but here is totally different world. That's the most important challenge, let's put it that way.
Okay. Great.
Yeah, thank you.